future of the education, for me, it's a mix of how they get the knowledge that can be from teachers or from the books, from different online sources, and also using this kind of simulators, these kind of platforms, to get more experience. Not only the knowledge, also use this knowledge in realistic scenarios, and a very controlled environment where they can gain hands-on experience. So when they will start working in different companies, they will have this confidence with them, and also this kind of experimental knowledge.